Hey, what's going on, guys? Firebird here, and today I am showing you my little friend Bear. He's around, I'm gonna say 4 or 5 months old. There he goes. Little cool dude. Yeah, his name's Bear. His name's Tommy. Sometimes he gets playful. He's pretty really, but sometimes he gets really playful and can scratch you up a lot. Alright, this is Bear. Now, yeah, that's basically the whole video. I was gonna show you another cat, but I don't know where they went. This is my mom's kitten, and yeah, that's basically the end of the video, so talk to you all later.